The perfect cat eye, every makeup lover's dream, but also a total struggle. Today, I'm testing 3 viral eyeliner hacks to see which one actually works. Will we get snatched wings or total disasters? Let's find out. Winged liner woes. We've all been there, let's be real. Winged eyeliner is tricky. Getting that perfect flick can feel impossible. One side looks great, but the other a disaster. Smudges, uneven lines, and let's not forget the dreaded wing that's way too thick. We've all been there. It's frustrating, time-consuming, and can totally ruin your makeup mojo. But what if I told you it doesn't have to be this hard? Winged eyeliner is a makeup staple, instantly adding a touch of glam to any look. It's the key to bigger, brighter-looking eyes and a total confidence boost. But mastering this makeup art takes practice and a few insider secrets. That's where eyeliner hacks come in. These game changers simplify the process, giving you the perfect wing every time. Ready to ditch the frustration and become a winged liner pro? Let's do this. Hacks to the rescue, your secret weapon to flawless wings. Eyeliner hacks are like magic tricks for your makeup bag. They use simple tools and techniques to take the guesswork out of winged liner. No more shaky hands or uneven lines. The best part, most of these hacks use everyday items you probably already have at home. Think tape, spoons, business cards, things you wouldn't normally associate with makeup. This means you can achieve amazing results without spending a fortune on fancy products or tools. Plus, these hacks are super versatile. Whether you prefer a subtle wing or a dramatic cat eye, there's a hack out there for you. They can be adapted to different eye shapes and sizes, making them perfect for everyone. Hack Attack, step-by-step guide to perfect wings. Ready to try some hacks for yourself? Here are 3 popular ones to get you started. Hack number 1, the tape trick. This is a classic for a reason. First, grab a piece of Scotch tape and cut it to the length of your desired wing. Stick the tape to your hand a few times to remove some of the stickiness. This will prevent it from pulling on your delicate eye area. Place the tape diagonally from the outer corner of your eye towards the end of your eyebrow. This creates your wing template. Carefully apply your eyeliner along the edge of the tape. Gently peel off the tape to reveal a sharp, clean wing. Hack number 2, the spoon method. This hack is perfect for creating a rounded, vintage-inspired wing. Find a clean spoon. Hold the handle of the spoon against the outer corner of your eye at an angle. Use the rounded edge of the spoon as a guide to draw the curved part of your wing. Once you have the curve, use your eyeliner to connect the line to your upper lash line, creating a smooth, seamless wing. Hack number 3, the business card cheat. This hack is ideal for beginners who want a subtle, everyday wing. Take a business card or a piece of stiff paper. Hold the card diagonally from the outer corner of your eye towards the end of your eyebrow. Use the straight edge of the card as a guide to draw a thin line extending from your lower lash line. Connect this line to your upper lash line, creating a small, subtle wing. Winging it your way. Tips and tricks for success. Practice makes perfect. Don't get discouraged if your first few attempts aren't perfect. Like anything, practice makes perfect. Start slow. When using a new hack, start with a light hand. You can always build up the intensity gradually. Clean up crew. Keep cotton swabs and makeup remover on hand to fix any mistakes. Find your angle. Experiment with different angles and wing lengths to find what suits your eye shape best. Have fun. Don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. There you have it. With these simple hacks, achieving the perfect winged eyeliner is easier than ever. Remember, practice makes perfect. So grab your eyeliner, choose your favorite hack, and get ready to rock those flawless wings. If you love beauty hacks and honest reviews, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more Glowenvy glow-ups. See you in the next one.